symptoms of chickenpox. This could have been prevented if he had received the chickenpox vaccine. Anybody can be vaccinated. It is very important that young children are vaccinated, but it is also critical that young adults receive the vaccine. This vaccine will not only benefit you, but may also protect the lives of your future children. This high exposure and death rate among young adults make it critical that college students be vaccinated. Shingles causes chronic pain along a peripheral nerve. This is caused by a reactivation of the chickenpox virus. If you have had chickenpox, the shingles virus already resides in you. Those who are vaccinated for chickenpox have a reduced risk of developing shingles in the future. Most healthcare insurance companies offer to cover the price of the chickenpox vaccine in full. The majority of college students are covered under their parents' insurance until the age of 26. Receiving the chickenpox vaccine will not only protect college students, but will also protect their future children upon vaccination.